Hey everyone, today I'll be working on this Google Pixel 2. As you can see, this phone has a cracked back glass. I will be showing you in detail how to remove the cracked glass and install a new one. Let's get started. I'll be using replacement glass that already comes with an adhesive. For this glass removal, I will be using a surgical knife. It's small, thin, and easy to hold. If you don't have one, a razor blade can work as well. There's going to be a lot of shards of glass, so I'll be putting out some tape on the screen to prevent it from scratching. I have my heat gun set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a lot of heat, but as long as you keep it moving, it will not melt anything. You want to begin at the point of impact. This allows you to remove smaller pieces of glass so you can have a clean entry. This phone has glue all around the edges and the adhesive in the center, making this a more difficult removal. I will be heating a small portion of the glass, softening up the glue and then removing the glass. You will be doing this back and forth until all the glass is removed. Watch out for the edges of the frame. They can easily be chipped and will be visible with the new glass. Now with a small flathead screwdriver, you will need to clean the frame from the glue and adhesive. This step is very important to make sure the new glass will sit flush with the frame. Now go ahead and wipe it down with some ISO. Okay, now we can apply the new glass. Press down on the adhesive and then remove the protective film. Start by aligning the back, then the front will just fall into place. Now put some pressure all around. To really help the adhesive adhere to the frame, I will be using this holding mold. It applies pressure evenly. Some clamps or rubber bands can work as well. Alright, now we're all done. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. I hope I'll see you in the next one.